Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to our online lesson. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Slides for your online learning, okay, for your work. So what you're going to do first is, if you're using your phone, you have to download this app first, okay? So you go to Google Play Store or App Store, you search for Google Slides, and then you install this app into your phone. Once you have Google Slides in your phone, you go back to WhatsApp, and then you click this link here, okay? Click this link, and then you choose the Gmail account that you want to use. I'm going to use my work Gmail account. Click OK, and it's going to show this, okay? This is how it's going to look like. Okay, so everything is online. So you just edit everything online. All right, I haven't turned on my Wi-Fi. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. This is your Google Slides for your class. Learning objective. Your work today is you're going to write paragraphs on Google Slides to describe your character's emotion. This is what we have learned last lesson in school. Show, don't tell technique. Okay, so what you are going to do for your online lesson today is you're going to look for your slide, okay? So this is high roll slide, Arena, Emily. Okay, look for yours, look for your name. And then once you find your name, where's mine? Mine is here, the first one. You can start editing. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can edit. You double click, and then it shows like this, okay? So you're gonna double click. Okay, and then I'm going to add my text here. Okay, so my emotion is lonely, so I'm going to type an example of paragraph about Wally. Last time Wally was feeling lonely, so I'm going to type Wally inched closer to the television. So this is my paragraphs about Wally. Oops. Okay, and then I'm going to I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to change the font. So you can change the font here at the top. Okay, you can change to the fonts here. So I'm going to choose Merriweather. Yep, Merriweather. And then you go back, make it bigger. Okay, better. And then I'm going to make it straight. I'm going to underline some words that I think are important. I think inch closer is pretty important because it shows the character's movement. Gaze longingly is very important. Okay, it shows the character's way of looking. Yep. Okay. You're done typing your paragraph. You can also add some pictures. So I'm going to look for a picture. Okay, this is the picture that I want from Google. So I can copy image and then just click wherever on the screen, and okay, I'm gonna paste. Yep. So I'm gonna move it around. You can also add emoji on here. You can go to the last slide, and if there's any emoji that you like to add, you can add it, copy paste it on your slide. But there's no emoji that matches my emotion on here, so I'm gonna look for the emoji on Google. So I'm gonna search it up. Lonely emoji. Maybe this. I'm gonna copy and click somewhere here and paste. Oh, it's dark. Okay then. All right, so I've edited my emotion, lonely. You can figure things out by yourselves, okay, how you can edit this. So I hope that by the end of today, we can read each other's paragraph. So I hope you're going to enjoy doing this and have fun. If you have any questions, you may ask in the group chat.